A perspective on GreenPak Factory. Forklift management. Forklifts are the most important transportation equipment in the production process. Each forklift in the GreenPak factory is uniquely numbered and parked to ensure efficient operation. Correctly parking forklifts can reduce the risk of workplace accidents, ensuring the safety of both workers and equipment. By ensuring that each forklift has a designated parking location, workers can quickly locate the required forklift, thereby enhancing production efficiency. Proper allocation and management of forklifts within the factory can help maximize resource utilization, minimize idle time, and increase the overall asset utilization. In brief, it has a positive impact on both production and management.
Contact me for further information.